Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we will show you how to recover a Facebook account without code and password. First of all, you have to open Facebook app from your mobile device. We have forgotten our email and mobile number, so we click on forget password. Here you can enter your mobile number to find your account. You can also find your Facebook account through email. So if you want to find your Facebook account through email, click on search by email instead under find account button. Here you have to enter your email and click on find account button. Make sure you have entered your correct email. It is your Facebook account. Now click on forget password. Now you can get code through email or mobile number, whatever you have added to your Facebook account. For example, I have added email to my Facebook account. I will click on my email and continue. You will receive a code through email. You have to copy that code, paste it here and click on continue. Now you have to create a new password. Type a new password and click on continue button. Well, you have logged into your Facebook account. This is the way you can easily recover your Facebook account without password. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.